Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable the Ultra Battery Saver on a Samsung Galaxy A27. In order to enable Ultra Battery Saver, you will need to go to the settings. Ultra Battery Saver is a mode that disables most functionalities of your phone in order to preserve your battery for a really long time. When I go to the battery in settings, you'll see power saving. Now, don't enable it just yet. Click on its name, and then you will be able to enable it. And the standard, you can see what the standard does. I can even click on the settings button here. The standard mode just limits CPU speed, decreases brightness, turns on dark mode, and stuff like that. But as you can see, the phone is still fully usable. But if I go to the settings again, and instead of standard, I set maximum, then I can click on the settings and enable which apps are allowed to be used in that mode. You can see the essential apps are allowed currently, but if I want other apps to be available, I can just enable it. I need to enable them manually. I'll do camera, and let's say just that. And now when I go to the home screen, you can see the home screen is black. The widget is disabled because Google is disabled, and from now on, only the highlighted apps are available, and the grayed out ones are not available. So I have my wallet, I have my Google Play Store and stuff like that. Besides that, it also disables some other functions, of course, yeah. You can also, to save even more battery, you can decide to disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location if you want, and some other things. You can also lower your screen brightness even more. Now, when I want to disable it, I'll just need to go to settings, the battery, and disable power saving. Now it's back to normal. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.